Di depan sensor rem.
Iya, jadi
Sama.
Ya karena casingnya itu kebesaran sebelah.
iya.
Bezelnya. Berarti jangan gak usah pakai plat juga.
Paling bener gitu sih. Motor gue sekarang nggak pakai.
Kalau taruh di dashboard kan.
Motor gue sekarang yang belakang
Itu
nggak pakai.
gue bolak-balik bengkel, apa yang bermasalah ini kan. Terus akhirnya coba diganti platnya gitu kan. Apa sih diganti casingnya itu? Bener udah.
Tapi kalau depan jangan pernah dicopot sih. Plat. Soalnya nyusahin parkir. Kalau belakang suka-suka. Depan jangan pernah dicopot dah. Kecuali lu mau setiap parkir nyebutin nomor.
Iya setiap parkir keluarin dari kajian dia tuh.
Ya antara ngeluarin gitu atau lu sebutin nomor ke orang.
Oh iya.
Balik lagi di
Soalnya gua pernah kan motor mau masuk ke SMS. Udah di itunya, Pak, maaf platnya nggak kebaca. Pasang, cuman dia nggak bisa baca aja. Jadi nyebutin.
Pasal itu apa nih? Baca sendiri nih.
Terus kemarin juga pas kesana kan masuk, pas keluar lagi dia nggak bisa baca, terus udah dia yang ketik Moge,
Moge.
ditulis nomor plat Moge.
Keren.
Tapi enak. Parkir depan Excelso, naik ke paperclip, turun lagi udah keluar. Di SMS. Kan dia nggak nanya kan, kayak bodi motor gua gede kok. Terus gua datang, Pak, ini mau parkir ini parkiran Moge gimana? Sebenarnya ada kan yang buat 250 yang di depan Farmer.
Oh.
Terus mau yang di depan Excelso, oh iya boleh. Terus
Terus banyak lagi.
dia nggak pakai nanya CC,
Parkir mobil udah boleh semua.
bayar parkir mobil aja.
Bukan bayar paling. Enggak bayar.
Kalau sensi malah gratis.
Oh gitu. Mobil kan bisa.
Gue juga belum, masih mocil itu. Bodinya aja gede.
Motor paling gede yang gue punya NX.
Cepet 50.
Gak boleh NX, gak boleh NX.
X-Max lah, X-Max. Jujur isi parkiran 250 cc-nya SMS X-Max. X-Max sama Aprilia. Tapi Aprilia 200 loh padahal.
Ranking nggak boleh ranking parkirnya.
No.
Kabar.
Tapi kenapa dari semua brand lo memilihnya Ion?
Karena range paling jauh.
Tapi mobil kayaknya kalau Ion memang paling. Tapi dia paling tertinggi punya.
Pengalaman gue bawa mobil dia, remnya yang kurang cocok di gue.
Banyak itu.
Bukan sensitifnya, malah menurut gue kayak iya, gue kan biasa nih depan IKEA sini, gue coba dong. Waktu itu belum ada belum ada itu cepet 30, cepet 40. Pas mau belok yang belokan putaran balik gitu, gue rem malah nge-skip.
Kalau mobil gue sih
Harusnya sih enggak ya mobil itu. Maksudnya kalau masalah limbung oke lah, Pajero juga limbung. Cuman remnya tuh nggak cocok aja. Kalau masalah instan-instanan tol sih enak.
Develop habis beli juga.
Hello.
Last day of the semester. How does it feel?
Hai Mas. Tidur dia. Ya udah.
How many courses that has a written exam for you guys?
MD, for ya.
MT4.
Machine design.
German, English, MD, and manufacturing process.
And the rest are what? Presentations?
Presentation, projects.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Apa sisanya? Oh, Lean sama elektrohidrolik kan
Already.
udah di tengah semester kemarin karena ke Jepang. ini kamu tuh meti.
Gue lagi nunggu Radit.
Maksudnya Radit mau mundur apa enggak gitu? Hah?
Radit ini mau buat satu.
Kalau besok gue jadi meti aja dari jam 4 dari sini. Gak apa-apa, beneran. Jadi event. Enggak, merah kayak satu area bukan titik.
Sir, terus jadinya sama sir. Berarti out of
I have one of the greatest. Yang
Jauhkan kalau mau nanti dari semua dan gue bilang ya yang gue jawaban isinya apa sih ya? Isinya apa? Kemarin isinya apa sih? Kemarin sih ya.
Allah, kayaknya nggak cuma marah-marahin, kayaknya ada something.
By the way, today's topic is quiz review. So I'm bringing up the most recent, not the most recent, but I think the only quiz I haven't graded is the latest. So I'll bring you the latest, second from latest. What do you want to discuss? That's the session for today. Yes.
Can we have back also the cheat sheet?
I can send you the formula sheet.
That would be great.
You mean the cheat sheet that you coret-coret atau the original cheat sheet?
The original cheat sheet,
Okay.
the one with the formulas and the tables and all that.
Okay. Okay. Actually, it comes from all the catalog, isn't it? Right? The catalog has those. And I basically crop it for you. That's what it is.
But like sometimes.
Oh, maksudnya have all the formula in one sheet gitu ya? Ya, coba deh. Ya, I'll send it. I have it. Okay, power screw and fasteners. Should be motivating. This one is not that bad. Matthew Tandian, Arif Pramana. Michael Luis. Edward. Richard. Richard Geraldo. No names. Nicholas Edward. Michael Luis. Oh, okay. Oh, the grade sometimes is on the other side. Nicholas Edward. Aiman. Dia udah titik. Justin Elroy. Kalo. Nathanael.
Jadi
Madeline.
berguna sampai jam 2.
Berguna, Con.
Rayvan. Nicholas Julius. Nicholas Edward. Nicholas Julius. Adalrico. Bisa Tonel, bener kan? Adalrico. Amadeus. Wempi. Amelia. Michael V. Mikael Cristiano. Brian Aurelio. Aska. Jason Alexander. Brilliant. Angelica. Brian. Oh, ini Brian. Sorry. You're not Brian, right?
No, Brian is on
Usually we sit together.
Okay, go ahead and review your quizzes, the kind of mistakes you did, and what you want to discuss, okay? Because that's the big session. It's a chance for you to ask the question. We'll go through it again together. In the meantime, I'll send you the formula sheet.
Tapi maksudnya ini tuh terlalu cepat, 15 menit aja ya.
Yang bushing and change.
I think it's in process. Let me ask my trainer. The remedial quiz is not graded yet, so well, I'll try to hand it back to you on Monday, so you have something to study with.
And for the newest quiz?
The newest quiz also. Yeah.
So for the final exam it will be MCQ and
Yes, there will be multiple choice similar to your typical to your pre-test, post-test. So I'll just kind of mix them around.
The number of questions.
Maybe 50, 40, I don't know. Depends. Do you want more or less? Why do you prefer less? You want it to be like 3 multiple choice questions?
No.
And that's it?
Yes,
tiga tapi persentasenya
Iya.
50%.
And then you make a mistake, you die. Yeah, of course it's preferably more, isn't it?
Essay, sir?
Yeah.
Essay?
I think it'll be 2 problems.
Yeah, I think quiz
No,
enough.
no, it's
I haven't decided which
No
topic I
essay
want to
150
do.
MCQ.
The one most of us can write, sir.
The one most of you got wrong, because my job is to make you understand.
What years? Years? Years atau apa?
Apa? Aman sih. Coba lempar. Bushing. Apa sih siapa sih? Ya, it won't fit.
Enggak sih.
Enggak sih aman. Kayak agak range ya, tapi agak range ya, tapi yang penting lo nggak
kesusuban itu apa sih?
Dia
Pemasukan chip itu.
motor sizing atau yang kemarin.
Ringan waktu.
Attendance guys.
Spring.
It's just for you to have it in one place.
Are we gonna get this review file or no?
You will.
Oh, this exact file.
Not the exact file, depends on what problem you get, right?
Oh, so it's the same as Squish as we're gonna get.
Yeah. You'll get formulas in the same way you get it in the quiz.
Okay.
Aska, right? Attendance, everybody got that? The attendance? Let's see, what are the quiz topics we've gone through? You have shaft,
Bearing.
rolling contact, right? Plane bearing,
Yes. Gears.
gears,
Chains belt.
belts, chains,
Spring.
wait, after chain we have power screw, right?
Yeah, power screw and fastener.
Fasteners,
Then spring and motor size.
spring and motorcycle. Let's grade this from easy to hard. Let me see what you think. Right, from 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
So 1 is easiest, 4 is hardest. Or 5. Let me see.
Gear susah.
So shaft,
2,
1 to 5. 5 is the hardest.
2,
2. 1 to
2, 2.
because it's
Okay, who says 2? Who says 2? Let me see hands.
Susah banget.
3, 4, 5. Okay, 2.
Susah banget ya.
Rolling contact bearing.
bearing yang
One.
oil yang 500.
The ball bearings.
Ball bearing.
Lifetime.
Yang gua kasih
C10, right?
Oh, yeah.
yang hitam ini lifetime.
Two.
Okay.
Confident. Okay, plain bearing.
3,
The bushing.
3,
Bushing
3,
4.
4, 3, 4.
4.
Years?
Gears. Gears, compound gearing.
3, 1.
Very hard.
The quiz averages does not show this, by the way. Belts.
3, 3.
Yang si
Okay, chain.
chain
3,
2, 3.
3,
5.
3.
2.5.
Who disagrees? Chain is 3.
Chain itu yang ada sprocket, jarak, space,
Power screws.
2,
power screws 2.
2.5.
Okay.
Fasteners.
1.
1,
Springs.
1.
Motor sizing.
Depends. Do we have?
Yeah, do we have the motor?
Which step do you find it most difficult in the power motorcycle?
Finding the motor.
It's a motor.
Well, I'm not asking you to find in the real world motor. but just
Calculate.
what power you need, the torque, RPM.
How do you find the RPM though?
Well, you got the RPM needed to get to the speed, right? And then you need it higher because that's not going to be no load RPM. So if this is your no load RPM, so this is RPM, right? This is no load RPM. This is stall torque. So if you need, let's say, 2,500, then your no load RPM cannot be 2,500, right? It has to be higher because you want, because if your no load is like 2,500 and 2,500 RPM is zero torque, because you need in your velocity profile, right? This is the highest torque and RPM combination that you're going to need. So at this point, you need like say 2,500 RPM and 2 Newton meter, for example. I'm just making things up. Okay, so you need to select this number and this number such that, let's say at 2,500. So let's say I pick this as 3,500. And so at 2,500, you make sure that the torque 2 Newton meter is within this curve, right?
So just assume the no load RPM.
Yeah, you just pick a no-load RPM such that the requirement is met. The requirement is met. Again, it's a design problem. It's a design problem, so there is no one single answer.
Ini bagiannya itu out of 35 bukan nilai. Out of 35.
This is quiz 1, right? Quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, and quiz 5. Right?
Ini siapa ngomong namanya?
Brian.
The averages, the class average here is 82. This is 82. This is 57, and this is 59. That's the class average.
Nanti yang keluar yang mana sih?
Well, looking at this,
Kayaknya sih yang pertama sama yang keempat sih sir yang keluar nanti.
gitu ya.
Iya.
Kasih tahu sir, masa yang keluar.
Ini juga kayaknya, I think you guys aced it, right? The last one.
The scores,
Still be graded.
Sir, buat yang motor sizing tuh jadi seharusnya kita nggak ada tulis motornya apa gitu.
You don't have to. Well, I asked you for the power requirement, right? The torque requirement, the RPM. Yeah.
Ini maksimal berapa? 35.
So looking at these, I don't know.
Sir, tapi kan Q2, ada remedialnya untuk kayak
That's already with the remedial.
Oh, ini udah.
I think it's already, yeah.
One two answers. I didn't.
Oh no. The latest remedial is not done yet.
Iya, kan di situ play bearing sama change-nya di remedial.
Iya, tahu yang salah. Oh iya.
Kayaknya gear sama belt.
Okay, what do you want to ask? I mean, that's more important, right?
Which one is coming out on the final test? Percentage probability.
The ones you score lowest.
Which one is
Because my job is to make you understand, not to give you good grades. And you pay me to do that, by the way. Okay, what is most difficult about the process?
For the plane bearing,
What are the requirements that you check, the design requirements for plane bearing?
The length.
Okay, for plane bearing, you're trying to determine the size, right?
Yeah.
So you got the length
And the diameter.
and you got the diameter. By the way, it's inner diameter.
Yeah.
Okay, inner diameter. So what requirements do you check that you have to fulfill in order to select these sizes? Hmm?
Jadi siapa lagi sendiri?
What are the demands?
the pressure,
the Pmax,
velocity, and PV
Okay.
product?
the P, and the PV.
And PV. Okay, what else? We're missing two more.
The where, W.
The where, right? In fact, that's kind of where you start. The problem with these three, why can't you immediately calculate this if you're sizing the bushing? You're trying to determine the bushing. Can you calculate this? No, because this depends on this, right? So it's like you're aiming in the dark. So you cannot immediately calculate these. These comes last. But first, you calculate your wear and your temperature. Okay? So usually, you do your wear and temperature requirement first, because that's going to give you your length requirement. That doesn't, if you notice the formulas, okay, I just sent you the formula sheet, so go ahead and open it. Look at the plane bearings formula. Okay, what do you notice between Pmax, P, and V, those formulas compared to delta T and W? In delta T and W formulas, you don't have D, right? So just by putting in the numbers for wear and for temperature, you'll get your L requirement. Okay? Can you see that? You assume your F1 and F2. You assume your F1 and F2, and you can calculate your length requirement. So this is basically where you start. This is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. You assume F1 and F2, and you got your length requirement. And then what's the second step? Once you have your L, you pick your diameter from the available list, right?
Yes.
So if this is your diameter, is your length. So you only have certain combinations that you can pick from. And so you are constrained to certain available sizes. And therefore you get your D, or candidate D. Once you get your D, your diameter, or candidate potential diameter, then what can you do?
Oh, find the
Okay? You go back here now. This comes third. So your third step, so the third step is to now check P max, V max, and PV. Now, if you notice, the formula for PV does not have D, so you can start there, but I mean, the option is too wide, right? If you go with the PV requirement only. And then what do you do? If it's okay,
find the where.
you have to double check your F1 and F2 because your diameter affects these, or no, your Vmax, right? Your velocity and your pressure affects this one. So it's kind of an iterative process. So then you double check, or you revise. You revise F1, check wear and temperature. Okay, so this has to be okay. Formulas, easy, right? If it's okay, then you're done.
So when I did the remedial, the length from the wear and temperature is so baik. Satunya kecil, satunya gede banget.
So which one do you take?
Yang gede. Nah, tapi kayak
Gede itu apa sih maksudnya? So L
Jadi yang-
greater than. So
Yeah.
give me numbers. For example.
40 and 200.
Oh?
Yeah,
Okay, so L has to be greater than 40 and L has to be greater than
200.
200.
Yeah.
So
I picked the
What's
200
this?
one. And then,
it's not available at all.
yeah, but I use like 5 of the available bearings. Is it okay?
Well, it's uncommon.
Yeah.
So you probably have some math mixed up.
Okay, right. Jadi siap sendiri.
In order to calculate F1, F2, you need to do P average, right?
Yeah.
P average and V. V is V max, no P average. It will affect F1. Questions? You want to redo your quiz? Just do it in front.
Ayo Cak.
Apa?
Lempar pertama ngumpulin aja.
Apa? Which one?
Whichever. Your choice.
Gears.
Okay, do you want to do a sample problem? If you don't want to, fine.
Sample problem?
From your quiz, for example. Do you want to do it together?
Both.
Yeah. Why not? Nothing like doing it yourself.
Ini mau ngerjain yang mana emangnya? Gears? Gears itu rate-nya udah. Oh, sir. For lihat
Result.
No, you gotta select the size. It means the requirement.
Oh.
Udah di revise.
Jadi sana kan bukan yang paling udah dikasih
Zip ya. Lu males buka zip. Boleh lah sir, build sir.
Okay.
Hah?
Go ahead, erase it, and
Cek gila jangan dihapus kan. Menjadi pengingat kita.
Oke, nilainya dulu. Nah, yang bagus-bagus ya sir.
Oh iya.
Oh, kamu 63.
okay, belt. Let's go through it step by step.
Mister
DIY.
Wih, di stok dong, udah habis makanan.
Apa sih?
Kilo aja udah habis.
Enggak usah deh, kan ada HP. Enggak, udah pernah jadi. Udah pernah terbang, nggak mau gue. Apa ya ini namanya?
Okay. So what's the first step?
Design HP.
Yep. But in selecting design horsepower, you need the surface. It's called the surface factor.
Yeah.
No, this belt.
Oh.
Engine continuous running 1.6.
Okay, are you guys following? You need to understand where you did wrong in order to do it right, right?
Oh. Wah, kabur. Kan ngerjain dulu nggak sih? Ngerjain dulu baru jelasin nggak sih?
Sambil aja.
Okay, so the first step we calculate. Oh,
Soalnya dulu jelasin gimana.
design a Fibel using the Bendo Nero Fibel catalog. You can use 3V or 5V for transmission horsepower. Each horsepower at 400 RPM. It was driven by a single cylinder gasoline engine, single cylinder ICE, and then to drive an air compressor, piston driven. It is running continuously and the speed needs to be reduced to 3, the final ratio will be 3 to 3.5 banding 1 to 1, yeah. And the center to center distance will be 24 inches. For cost saving, number of belt limited to single belt. First step, you calculate the design horsepower. So the transmission horsepower times safety factor. You got the safety factor from the table. Power ace and power king typical surface factors. You got 1.6, 8 times 1.6, 1.8. Belum pas step. Enggak.
So you look at the, now you need to select the belt family, right?
Okay. So belt family, shift, RPM, and design. Oh, yeah.
You got the chart?
Yeah.
Maybe I should display the chart. You can also open it in the formula sheet is missing that belt. Or is it in the final exam? It's in the final exam. It's called final exam formula.pdf.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. So how do you read this?
So use the design horsepower 12.8 around here, and then 400 RPM.
Uh-huh.
So around here we So it's 5px or 5p family.
5B family. Double. 5
And then
Okay, so what's the next step? After you select the belt family, come on guys, help him out.
belt line.
Yeah,
Yeah, you need the size, but in order to get the size, you need the
Diameter.
you need the diameters, right? So the first step before the belt length is actually the pulleys.
Step 1, use this. Step 1, use this. Belt family, pulley diameter, belt length, belt capacity, number of belt,
See, I gave you the pulley diameters. So,
Oh, we use this chart to get the pulley.
no.
No? Okay. Okay. Gimana Kek? No shit. Oh. Kemarin masih fresh.
So you select the pulley diameters. Though, if I didn't constrain you to certain diameters, then you can select any one of them. Small sheaf and big sheaf, right? Here, in this.
Yeah.
I mean, these are the HP ratings, right? But you first need to determine your small pulley. So,
Oh.
right? This is, what are these numbers on the top? This is RPM.
Yeah.
This is the
Inch diameter.
diameter of the belt. Okay, guys, you need to, sometimes you lost the big picture, right? You are designing this. So what do you need to determine?
Yes.
Right? The belt length, the pulley. Obviously, the belt length will depend on the pulley diameter.
Yeah.
Right? Of course. So you need to first determine the pulley diameters, and you know, looking at this, these are the information you have. So you can select from any of these. And then what about the big one? Because the belt rating is given for the small pulley. Okay? So how do you determine the big pulley?
Times the ratio.
The ratio, right?
For the HP rating.
You're gonna need that, yes.
So 400 RPM. So use this. The smaller one is this.
Okay.
So equals to 8. And then this equals three to 3.5. After that,
Did you guys calculate for a single belt?
No, fail.
kemarin nggak dapat single belt, tapi dua belt. Iya, dua belt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. C is the condition.
Nggak ketemunya the belt length ya. Not available belt. Okay, let's continue.
Kalau menurut kemarin jadinya terlalu lebar dari 24 inch.
Oh,
Makanya
I
pakai dua.
see.
Ya.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, C-nya bukan.
Well, it's the center, so for center to center distance is 24 inches.
Yeah.
I do not say it's the space. Maybe you're confusing it with the chain. Okay? So let's see, what will be the belt length for this situation? What will be the belt length? Help him out, just in case you make a mistake, error. What is it?
138.2 inch.
Okay. So you go to your catalog, make sure it's there. So if it's 138, then the closest will be 5B140, right?
Iya.